Hey everyone, a warm good evening and good morning to all of you. Would like to welcome to all our this session of YouTube channel. So I hope all are doing good. So guys, with this continuation of our SSB Booster Crash Course, uh, we are here to discuss a new unit within our booster crash course, that is how political theory. Okay, and this is our booster crash course 8 for the the job of lecture and the PGT requirement. And guys, today we are going to discuss about nature and scope of the political theory, decline and resurgence of the political theory, a marathon like question for Odisha SSB requirement. Okay, a marathon like question for SSB Odisha requirement. As you know that in our Odisha, the SSB conduct the examination for the PGT for the lecture, and very soon you will get the your notice of regarding the date. And that's point of view, it's very important to discuss the questions, the practice questions. And let me clear to all of you that today we are will only focus on the questions. Okay, the theory part is not going to cover in this session, and I request that please don't request to me to cover the theory part. I have already covered the theory, okay, regarding the nature and scope and decline and resurgence of the political theory. So if you have not watched that thing, go and watch the theory, then come join with this practice question. It will be more appropriate for you. So this is my humble request to all of you. That is how the today guideline for all of you before starting our practice questions. Then coming to the how you attempt this question is going to be a live experience of the examination scenario. You have to attend the question through OMR sheets. Okay, each and every question will carry forward 1.5 marks, and if you will wrong one question, then 0.5 mark will be deducted. And this is how our the whole structure of the question. So guys, with this note, I would like to start our discussion, the nature and scope of the political theory and decline and resurgence of the political theory. Okay guys, so let's start the first question in front of you, and the time start now. Okay, so who among the following did not predict or support the decline or demise of the political theory? Okay, so option A, Peter Laslet, Isaiah Berlin, SM Lipset, Alfred Coban and Robert Dahls. So guys, the time is off. So support decline and demise of political theory, who did not predict. Okay, did not predict, so you need to find the incorrect. Okay, so which is not related to decline and resurgence of the political theory, sorry, demise of the political theory. So obviously you can notice the Isaiah Berlin. Okay, so guys, Isaiah Berlin is not the part of the demise and decline of the political theory. So guys, before moving to the next question, I would like to tell you one thing, that so in our class there is a visual impaired student, that means the handicapped student also watch our class. That's why I have to read the question, and to help the visual impaired student. So this is how I believe you feel comfortable with this line. Okay, so next question in front of you, and your time start now. So as per David Aston, which is the reason for decline of the political theory? Historicism, hyperfactualism, option 3 moral relativism, and value pluralism. Reason for decline of the political theory. So guys, time is off. So reason for decline of the political theory: historicism, hyperfactualism, moral relativism, eliminate the value pluralism. Okay, eliminate the 4 option, then remain option is 1 2 3, option B is the answer. Very interesting questions. Okay, so the interesting question like it is. Okay, so decline of the political theory according to David Estons, I believe it is clear. Then moving to next question. So guys, before next question, I would like to answer the unanswered question in our last session of the political thoughts. As you know that in the last day we have covered successfully the political thought unity, and there one question unanswered by me, and I would like to appreciate the student who let me know that sir you did miss the question. So now I am here with you to answer this question, that whose idea of the following were incorporated in the philosophical radicalism of utilitarianism. Option A Machiavelli, Thomas Hobbes, John Locke and Rousseau. So you can provide the answer. The answer of this question is option B, guys. So Thomas Hobbes consider the part of philosophical radicalism. Okay, philosophical radicalism like a revolutionary attitude, okay, his concept of absolute sovereignty, a philosophical radicalism concept. Okay, and also it is important from the utilitarian point of view, because the sovereign, absolute sovereign will ensure the self preservation of the people. So that concept here lie with the philosophical radicalism of utilitarianism. Okay, Thomas Hobbes, it is the answer of this question. So this is your like the last question's answer. I believe it is clear to you. So in that way, if anything missed by me, you just bring to my attention. I would like to happily respond that questions. Okay, so moving to the next question. The time start now. So, who of the following said an important function of the political theory is not only to show what a political practice, but also to show what it means. Okay, what it means. In showing what a practice means, or what it ought to mean, political theory can alter what it is. मैंने सिंपल ही दिस क्वेश्चन talks about the political theory, not only include political science but also political philosophy. So indirectly this question trying to tell this story. Okay, option A G.H. Sabine, Leo Strauss, Michael Oxford and D. Isaiah Berlin. So guys, the answer of this question is option. B. David Held. C. Robert Dahl. D. G.H. Sabine. And this question need to answer by 100% people. Okay, because I have already taught this thing in our class. So time is off. So answer of this question is option A, Germino. Do you remember, guys, ideological reductionism? So Germino famous for the concept of ideological reductionism. Okay, ideological reductionism. Okay, and this statement explain the ideological reductionism. If you understand what does it mean by ideological reductionism, then you could provide the answer of this question, because here I have already told you that the Marxism to be an ideology, or capitalism to be an ideology, it is a debacle of ideology only. There is no development of the political theory. It is not a political ideology. Okay, because it is not develop anything. Marxism only talks about economics, base, superstructure, that is. Capitalism only talks about liberty, individualism, free market, only these things. So there is no development of the political theory. So according to Germino, it is a ideological reductionism, only one ideology. There is no further development of the political ideology. So guys, be serious for exam, because this kind of statement is very important, and it is your responsibility that you have to apply your knowledge to answer this kind of questions. Okay, so that is how like the things. And if you have not covered this type of concept, then I will simply request you that you should cover that thing. Where you cover, I can also let you know. So let me show you. So you are now in this Telegram, basically, sorry, YouTube channel. So simple, for this decline and resurgence of political theory, you go to the playlist. Okay, you need to go to the playlist and find the political theory playlist. This is your political theory SSB PGT political theory playlist, which consisted 16 video. Okay, then you need to watch the decline and resurgence of the political theory. So let me, okay, here you can find decline and resurgence of the political theory. Okay, so I have extensively covered all the important thing, and around 139 views basically with respect to this video. You can refer this basically video, because otherwise you will find difficult to provide the answer. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare. Even if you feel any kind of like conceptual clarity, then you can refer all those video available, which is benefit for our like SSB PGT and lecture. Okay, hope you all bear with this point. Oh, next question in front of you, and the time start now. Let me set it properly. Yes, it is right now. I believe it is appropriate now. Yes. Okay, fine. It's a very easy question, guys. Don't make mistake this question. Who among the following refer to the decline of the political theory? Okay. Option A, David Heston, Alfred Coburn. Option B, Lassett and Robert Dahl. Option C, Will Durant. Option D, basically Hawthorne. Okay. It's a very obvious question. We have already multiple time we have covered this kind of question. Okay, so I believe it's a very easy question, and the answer obviously that option, decline of the political theory, David Heston, Alfred Coburn, obviously option A. Then B, Laslett and Robert Dahls. Okay, so A and B. So here the option D, A and B. The answer of this question is A and B. Okay, the decline of political theory. Okay, guys, move to next question. Next question in front of you. Yes. So which of the following statement are true regarding political theory? Okay, so time start now. So it accepts scientism and repudiate the normativism. It synthesizes the political philosophy and scientific inquiry of the political phenomena. It is structural and institutional and examine logic and basis of the political institution and organization. Political theory is philosophical as well as scientific, normative as well as empirical, evaluative, as well as explanatory, historical as well as analytical. And guys, the time is off. It's a conceptual question, and the answer of this question is obviously you can eliminate. It accepts scientificism and repudiate normativism. No, it political theory, your political theory consists with both philosophy and political science, and normativism we also call. So that's why option A is incorrect, because it talks about, it not include the normativism. Option B, it synthesizes the political philosophy and scientific inquiry of the political phenomena. Option C, it is a structural and constitutional and examine the logic and basis of the political institution. Option D, political theory, it is more appropriate. Okay, if you understand the what is political theory is more approachable with option D, and option C is your answer of these questions. Okay, I believe it's a top question, but if you have a conceptual clarity, then you will able to provide the answer. So guys, moving to the next question. Even if guys your question are not correct, then you no need to worry, because there is a few of question which will trouble for you, but most of question you will able to do it if you have a study that concept. So next question, and the time start now. Who among the following said that a political theory is quite simply a man's attempt to consciously understand and solve the problem of his group life and organization? The keyword is group life and organizations. So guys, the time is off. So here the answer of basically this question, option B, GH7. Okay. So guys, my objective to provide this type of question because this kind of thing has been asked in our examinations. If you notice last times Indian political thought, so they asked this kind of statement based question, and it is a very obvious thing that can be asked when we talk about decline of one nature and scope of political theory. So just remember this kind of keyword, that the problem of the his group life and organization, it's like said by the basically GH7. Political theory means what? To solve the problems with respect to group life, with respect to organization, said by the GH7. Okay. Similarly, you can also remember Ernest Barker's Leo Strauss. Okay. So that is how more appropriate for you. Then moving to the next question, and the time start now. So, who of the following lamented the death of political theory, political philosophy? Guys, lamented means what? Who of the following? Lamented means what? Who rejected the death of political philosophy. That means who don't believe on the death of political philosophy. So, if you want to eliminate, you can eliminate the scholar who belong to the decline of political theory. Then you can get your answer. So the time is off. Answer of this question is basically, Robert Dahl believe decline of political theory or death of political theory. Peter Laslet also, basically David Heston also. But guys, Peter Wins, I don't think so. He belonged to the resurgence of political theory or anything. Okay, so I basically not sure of this question. So I don't feel to provide the answer of this question. This question will be addressed by in the upcoming session, because I don't to basically want to provide any incorrect answer. Okay, so just mark star of this question, because as it the death of political theory, political philosophy is said by I believe somewhere I have like confusion. I will provide to answer in next session. Okay, if you know, you can also comment. Okay, so moving to the next question, who describe political theory as a systematic thinking about the purpose of the government? So the time start now. Because if I will provide the wrong answer, then people will be loud at me. So it is not good, na. So I will be always with authenticate answer. Okay. It quite happen like sometimes your own make question you don't know about the answer. Okay, let me know. Not an issue, because you are learning. So the answer of this question is option C, the parliamentage. Okay, option C, that the systematic thinking of the purpose of the government. Political theory means systematic thinking of purpose of the government. Then guys, moving to the next question, time start now. Who among the following said that political theory contains the factor like three kind, factual, causal and valuational? Okay, so three factor political theory consists the three factor: the factual, the causal and the valuational. Option A Leo Strauss, option B Dunning, option C GH Sabine and option D Evanstein. So guys, the answer of this question option C, like political theory consists with the three factors. So moving to the next question, who among the following said that political theory is the doghouse in 1960s? Okay, so 1950s in political theory is in the doghouse of the 1950s. The time start now. The time is off, so the appropriate answer of this question is option D, that Rimmer. Okay, so Rimmer believed that the political theory is the doghouse in the 1950s. Okay. Then moving to the next question, who among the following said we cannot set our values in the way we remove our codes? Okay, so it is said by whom? It is very obvious question, you know the answer. So answer of this question, what is the answer? So guys, answer of this question is basically David Heston, option B. Okay, so we cannot set our values, that means we cannot ignore the values of the political theory. Okay, like we remove our codes. Okay, it is not possible to remove the values is always with the political theory or philosophy, because it provides the solution to the problem of the groups, problem of the society, problem of the culture. So moving to the next question, that who among the following is associated with the resurgence of the political theory? Yes, quickly within 15 seconds. Okay, because it's very like our guys say, it's a laddu questions. Okay, resurgence of the political theory, who associated? So appropriate answer option C, Vogelin. Okay, Vogelin, the resurgence of the political theory. Okay guys, so we have successfully covered a lot of questions. Now the time is that if you like our this kind of effort, if you like this kind of class and exam oriented information, that I believe you should like our session. Okay, quickly guys, please take a seconds and please like our session, and also if you have not subscribed, please subscribe our channel to get all notifications, all the exam oriented information, content, questions, like quiz. Also I have initiated a new kind of features in our channel, that is how live quiz. Okay, there will be a poll. Okay, so quiz also, different thing are available, whatever desire require for your examination. So for that you have to do one thing, that do subscribe, do like, and do share with your friend. That is the three mantra you need to do. I believe you all are mature and you do your job. So guys, moving to the next question. Next question in front of you. Time start now. So question is that which political theory believes in trait of values based normative idea what ought to be an ideal perspectives? Which political theory? Which political theory? Option A behavioral, option C cultural, option C imperial, and option D traditional. So as answer of this question, option D traditional. Okay, traditional political theory believes on values, normative, what ought to be ideal perspectives. Like remember Plato. Okay, ideal perspectives. Aristotle, ideal perspectives. Then moving to the next question. Which of the following basically incorrect statement? A decline of political theory is known as no relevance to the normative theory. It is obviously what? It's correct. Yes. Robert Dahl, Herbert Marcuse, Georgian Habermas subscribe to decline of political theory. Option C, resurgence of the political theory is known as reinvention of normative and value based study. Yes, correct. It started, that means decline of resurgence of the political theory started. It means resurgence of political theory started in 1970s with post behavioralism as a genuine revolution said by the Easterns. Okay, so what is incorrect answer? Obviously, as you know, that Robert Dahl cannot be part of the your Georgian Habermas cannot be part of your decline of the political theory. Hence, this statement became wrong. Okay, guys. So decline of political theory, Robert Dahl, not Georgian Habermas, not Herbert Marcuse. They are part of resurgence of the political theory. So I believe it is clear. Moving to the next question. Behavioral scientists transform the political theory into natural science with data, fact, figure analysis is known as what? So this statement known as what, or lies or best appropriate which concept? Historicism, moral relativism, hyperfactualism, or confusion between science and theory? Quickly guys, because the time is need to off also this session here. So guys, the answer of this question is basically C, hyperfactualism, that political theory deals with the science, data, fact, figure analysis, that is hyperfactualism. Okay. Then next question, who defined factor responsible of the decline of political theory. Here the question like the three factors responsible for decline of political theory, like extension of the state activity, totalitarian control of the bureaucracy, establishment of large scale military organizations. It is said by whom? The three factors responsible for decline of the political theory, like state activity, bureaucracy, and the large scale military. Option A Dante Germino, Alfred Covan, option C David Heston, and option D A and B. I hope you know this answer of this question. So let me provide the answer of this question is option B. Okay, so Alfred Coburn talks about the three cause for the decline of political theory. Okay, guys, again, if you can analyze this kind of strategically framework questions. You cannot, I can guarantee you, this kind of question will not you get. Okay, so for that you need to subscribe. For that you need to like. Okay, that is how the human responsibility that I am like doing for you free of cost. All things I also deserve for the one subscribe or like for you. So this is how my humble request. Moving to next question. Choose incorrect pair. You need to find the incorrect pair. Okay. Option A Jurgen Habermas as a last Marxist consider himself as a last Marxist. Option A, it is correct or incorrect. Option B Dante Germino ideological reductionism, it is correct or not. Option C Alfred Coburn decline of the political theory belong to the decline of political theory, correct or not. Option D Robert Hall decline of political theory is a trump of democracy, which is incorrect. I believe it is quite clear and easy question, and the answer of this question is basically what? Option D is the answer. Okay, because decline of the political theory as a trump of democracy said by Issa Berlin and Lipset. If you will check out your note which I have share in my Telegram ID, then you can basically find the statement directly mentioned in the notes. Okay, hence option D is answer. So that's why I tell you that do join the Telegram ID. Then next question, that which term best suited for the 20th century with the rise of positivism and Marxism ideology. No significant development of political theory was noticed, and it is only an era of ideological debacle. The keyword is ideology. The keyword is ideology. I have already discussed these things. Like I hope it is a repetition of the question, and the answer of this question is option D. That is how ideological reductionism. That the Marxism, a rise of the Marxism. No, there is no significant political theory. It is only ideological debacle. That is ideological reductionism. Then another question, that the John Rawls, Hannah Arendt, Herbert Marcuse, Jurgen Habermas, McIntyre, Michaels, Walzer, and Michael Oxford, these above are scholar comes under which argument? Decline of political theory, resurgence of political theory, of both A and B, or none of the above. I believe it is quite easy question that you all know the answer of this question. Let me provide, guys. As you all know that option 2 resurgence of the political theory. Guys, with this note, we come to end of the lecture of our today discussion. The SSB Booster Crash Course 8 pertaining the nature and scope of political theory, decline and resurgence of political theory. This is all about from my side for the topic of decline and resurgence of political theory. And lastly, if you like our effort and this kind of question, or if you want that in going forward the class is going to be conducted, then you need to subscribe and share with your friend and like our channel. So thank you guys, thank you so much for being part of this lesson. Thank you, have a nice day.